never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Mercy.
No, that's not the intro.
Another private people give thanks for life another day. Vlogmas done. Coming to the end because you're not very close. But
yeah.
Give thanks for life.
Yeah. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another Vlogmas. It's now. I'm losing track of the days. Honestly, what is it? Thursday.
Today is Thursday.
Thursday the 23rd.
23rd.
Thursday the 23rd of December. So 2 days to Christmas. And we've literally just decided what we're doing for Christmas Day. Yeah. So we had no idea what we were doing, right?
None whatever.
So we've finally decided where we're going to spend Christmas Day, and I think we're going to bring you along. We're going to bring them along, right? Yeah. On Christmas Day, we wasn't going to vlog on Christmas Day, but we're going to show you what we're doing for Christmas Day.
Yes,
because it's something a bit different, something a little different. So I think it'd be nice to show it. But guys. We got some Christmas prepping to do. We were in Kingston yesterday. I just feel like we're on the road every day.
See, if we did that to make the people know, say, we did that with them, you know.
We was in Kingston yesterday, and today we're just going into Ochi because Christmas prep, right? Christmas prep. So, you know, we have to go and pick up a few little things for the Christmas Day, Boxing Day, and all these kind of things. And
I know I go on Jamaica. Especially in the store, go on in the streets and all them stuff. So you know what thing go.
So Christmas prep today, we're just going into Ochi to pick up some stuff. That's really our day today. That's really it. Nothing more. Tomorrow's Friday, so you know it's Grand Market. So you know we're going to go check out Grand Market. Of course, we're going to.
I'm still going to know what I go on.
We're trying to find some sorrel today. We're trying to find some sorrel today.
Yes, go for that.
But what I've heard, word on the streets is that you can't find red label wine. Like the shops are all sold out of red label wine. So people, boy, fingers crossed that I can find the red label wine for the sorrel today, because I don't know. We was in the shop yesterday and one lady was like, I can't find red label wine anywhere.
That's what there.
Yeah. So boy, we want to make our own sorrel juice or sorrel drink. So I'm hoping I can get the red label wine. I don't know. But anyway, we're going to go in the street and look for it.
So you two things in there? You want the rum?
And the rum. Of course. Need the rum in it as well.
Absolutely.
The rum, I think you can find the rum easily, but it's red label wine. Anyway, guys, we're going to drive to Ochi and pick up some stuff.
Well, I'm going to go put together, so.
Yeah.
Let's move forward, man.
Yeah. Now we're in Ochi now. First stop today is Bashco. Oh man, it looks full, innit? It looks full. Okay. Yeah, first stop today is Bashco. The streets are full. Woo. Bashco. So yes guys, we've got two of these. 12 things. Stuff in. Okay, next up curtains. There's some curtains.
Want the curtain?
Something like this I want. This is what I want. Yeah.
Is that what you want?
Yeah, something like that. So guys, we end up getting this curtain. 4 pieces. How much are they? 2,100 for one piece, so it's not too bad. Let me see. We end up getting this. Yeah. Alright.
Nice.
So yeah, Bashco, they've got a good range. Good range. We look and see. We didn't even look at everything, we just picked up that there. So we got our curtains, but in here you can get every little thing. Household stuff. Yeah. We just come for curtain steel, so we got it. There. Yeah. Place is busy.
Yes.
Everybody's buying up stuff. Christmas rush. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. We gotta pay for this. So we're done with Bashco. Oops, done with Bashco. We're on the way to the market now. But the place is as we expected, the place is full. Went into Bashco and there's like some of the shelves are just empty, innit? Some of the stuff is just sold out, but a lot of traffic. But it's expected. 2 days before Christmas, you expect this. So we just deal with it. So market next stop. Yeah. Yeah, we still in traffic, guys. We're down here, Market Street, but they block it off.
Block off, it closed.
Blocked off.
Yeah, man, straight. Also,
Yeah. We used to just drive down there, but we can't because
block off for this whole of this week.
Yeah, Christmas. So we have to find another way.
All of this week, block off.
Outlaw. We're in the market, but there's no parking. The parking attendant didn't even want to let us in because he's like, there's nowhere for you to park. And guys, as you can see, there is actually nowhere to park. So we've literally just parked. We've just put the car outside Outlaw's friend's shop. So this is his friend's shoe shop here, and this is his van. So I have to stay in the car, even though I'm usually in the car anyway. But I have to stay in the car in case I need to move it because we're blocking a few people in as well. But it is rammed, yeah. Chaka block. This, guys, got the callaloo, bungalow callaloo. Got the sorrel. I think there's just over £1 of sorrel here, fresh sorrel. We got, what did we get? £1 of tomato, skillet and thyme. Yeah. Garlic. What did he get? Hot pepper, like just over half a dozen hot pepper. Cabbage. And he got them so quick. Sweet pepper. Carrot. What else? Some sweet potato. £3 of onion. And oh my. £3 of onion, £3 of Irish, sorry. £1 of onion. This was Irish. And what else in it? This looked like about £2 of yam. Yeah. He's going to get banana and ginger now. Yeah. Alright, see me. Look like he's got the banana. That's in the ginger. Watch him. Calling out to his friend. Okay, you got the ginger as well. Just let the people know.
Yeah,
so you got the ginger. Yeah, fresh ginger. And a few banana. We're good. I'm gonna find out how much all that costs. He's going to go and chat to his friend. So in a while. So how much was all of that?
All of that is 3,600.
That's good. All of that stuff.
Everything.
That's
including
good.
This, we never expect.
Yes, the incense. Yeah, that's good. 3,600 is good. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, man.
And the sorrel was how much? $450 a pound?
$450 a pound. We get about 4.5.
Okay.
You know my thing go.
Yeah.
Around the river swing go.
Alright, next up, guys. Let's get out of this market. Alright. Progressive. The wines. Got 2 bottles of rosé. We're looking for the red label wine now. So, yeah. But it's packed in here. Let's pay for this first and then I'll go on the counter. Yeah, So guys, no red label wine. No red label wine in Progressive. So we're gonna hunt it now. We're gonna hunt it now.
Look quick, we'll find up the road.
Let's see. So people, we're in area 2 now. We just stopped at one shop. They haven't got it, the red label wine either. So that's 2 shops we've been in. We're gonna stop at the next one around here. Find out if they have it. Oh man, the hunt is on for red label wine. Look, they're having a cookout out here. Some kind of cookout. The Outlaw is now on the 3rd or 4th shop looking for red label wine. Looks empty-handed though. What do they say?
No red label.
What's that about? Shop 3 or 4 now, isn't it? That's about the 3rd shop. Oh, people. Oh man. So guys, we've come to Spring Valley, right? So one of them little, you know, them little back shops there. To see if they've got it. Because the shops on the front, the main shops, don't have it. So let's see.
A red label wine. Red label wine.
They don't have it. Back home, watch out, Law. Do you remember this cake that we bought yesterday? The sorrel cake. He's just tasting it now. What's the verdict? What'd you say? Tastes good? Yeah? So guys, we could not find, what couldn't we find? We couldn't find the, what do you say? The red label wine. And when I looked it up online, it said, 4 days ago, it said that there's a shortage of red label wine in the country, on the island. Yes. There's a shortage of red label wine on the island. I don't know why. So we can't find it anywhere. So we had to do something else. We had to try on alternatives. So let me show you what we bought. But we bought this. I see a few people buying this, a substitute, Real Vibes wine. It says Real Vibes party wine. So we'll see if we can substitute this for the red label wine. But yesterday I saw a few people buying this instead. So we're home now. What are we gonna do now, babes?
Something to eat.
Something to eat, and then start dealing with the sorrel, right?
Right away.
Alright. So guys, the Outlaw over there is cooking up something today. He's cooking up some callaloo. What you cooking the callaloo with?
Yeah, some food down.
Yeah.
So it's all about some sweet potato and 2 slices of yam and few finger banana, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, these seeds. Some nice potato.
Oh, but here he comes.
Oops.
Okay.
Ooh.
Alright, I think we're done for today. And at the vlog there.
I'm no business there. Remember, like, share and subscribe and look at the ad. That's up there. Make you carry food and stuff. That's up there. The sign.
Yeah. Guys, Vlogmas again tomorrow. See you soon.
And I'm Brian. Good time for life.
Yeah.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.